Hello guys, welcome to our page. Today we are going to start the new example from the exercise 11.1, which is from the chapter number 11, mensuration. Already we had considered first two examples, so if you are new to our page you can watch those videos from the links which are given in the description. Now without wasting any time, we are going to consider the question number 3, which is like this. The shape of garden is rectangular in middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. So one garden is there whose middle shape is rectangular and both ends are semicircular in the nature as shown in this diagram. You can see it. Now we have to find out the area and the perimeter of this garden whose lengths are provided like this. Length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. So this means that these two semicircle having the same radius, which is 3.5. That means the radiuses are 3.5 each. That means those two semicircles are identical in shape. If we consider the shape of them, then it is going to be identical. Okay, so here they had provided the diameter. So diameter of that semicircle is nothing but it is a breadth of that rectangle. So we have to use that diameter in two cases, for length and breadth of a rectangle and then radius of that semicircle. Then length is provided 20 meter. The length of that rectangle is provided like this: 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. that means this whole length is 20 meter, and from that we have to minus 3.5 and 3.5. so that means 13 will be the length of that rectangle. Now this is the length of rectangle. Now circumference of one semicircular part, first we are going to calculate. Circumference we are going to calculate. Now we know that circumference of circle is calculated by using formula 2 pi r, and semicircle means half circle. So that means we have to take half of that circumference. So half of the 2 pi r will be pi r. So therefore we are taking formula as a pi r for same circumference of semicircular part, which is calculated by 22 upon 7 into 3.5, because we know that value of pi is either 3.14 or 22 upon 7. So that we had kept. Then here we are going to divide it now. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, and decimal point is there, so it will become 0.5. And while multiplying with 0.5, there is one short trick you can use. When you are going to multiply by 0.5, then you have to take the half value, and if you are going to divide by 0.5, then you have to take double value. So here we are multiplying by 0.5 to 22, so we have to take half of the 22, which is going to be 11. So therefore what is the circumference of one semicircle? It is 11 meter. But here how many semicircles are provided? 2 semicircles are provided. So that means we have to take the circumference of 2 semicircles. So therefore circumference of both the semicircular parts is going to be 2 times 11, so which becomes 22 meter. So 22 meter is the circumference, that means outer boundary of these two semicircular parts. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of that garden. Just remember, perimeter means only outer shape or outer boundary. So as we have to consider the outer boundary, so that's why we are not going to take these breadths of that rectangle. If we want to calculate the perimeter of that rectangle, then we have to take it, but we have to calculate the perimeter of the garden, whole garden. So that means we are not going to include these breadths in our calculation. So therefore what will be the formula now? 2 into length of the rectangle. That means two lanes are there in that perimeter of that rectangle. This is one is upside and one is downside, plus circumference of the both circular parts, which already we had calculated, which is 22 meter. So that we are going to put here. And what is the length of rectangle? It is 13 meter. They had given in the example 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. So that is already given. So just put down the values. 2 into 13 plus 22. We know that 13 2s are 26. So 26 plus 22, it will become 48 meter, which is the perimeter of this given garden. Okay, according to the diagram and according to the measurements. Now we have to find out the area of garden. So in same thing we have to do, like we had considered the outer boundaries of rectangle and circumference. So in the same way, we are going to take the area of rectangle plus area of semicircular region. But there are two semicircular regions, so we are going to take 2 into area of any one semicircular region, because they are same in shape, their dimensions are same. So that's why we are taking it once and we are doubling it. Okay, so put down the formulas. Length into breadth is the formula to calculate the area of rectangle, which we had seen previously. Then here 1/2 pi r square will be the area of one semicircular region. Now you are going to say that how it is possible? Why we are taking 1/2? Because area of circle is pi r square and we have to take half value, so it is 1/2. And again we have to double it. So in either way that 2 will be cancelled, and again you are going to get the pi r square, because here one semicircle plus this second semicircle, you are getting complete circle. So formula of area of circle is pi r square. So that only we are getting. So put down the values. 13 into 7. Breadth of that rectangle is nothing but diameter. So 7. Then plus 2 into 1/2, as it is 22 upon 7, which is the value of pi. Then 3.5 is twice. It is repeated twice because square is there. 3.5 into 3.5. So these 2 will be cancelled. Then 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. So it will become 0.5. Just I told you that if you are multiplying by 0.7, then you have to double the value. So double of 3.5 is 7, or sorry, you have to half the value. So half of the 22 is 11. So you can take the multiplication of 11 and 3.5, which will be like this, 38.5. And 13 7s are 91. So final addition is 91 plus 38.5. That addition will become 129.5 meter square, which is the required area of the garden, which we had calculated with the help of two shapes, circle and rectangle. For that purpose we had used the formula for circumference of circle and circumference of semicircle and area of the rectangle and area of the semicircular region. So I hope you got this. So we can write the final result like this. Thus the area of perimeter of the garden are 48 meter and 129.5 meter square. These are the required area and perimeter of the given garden. So I hope you got this answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to our page, you can watch our previous videos from the links which are given in the description. And if you want to get updates in future from our channel, then you have to like, subscribe and share our page. And also you have to press the bell icon so you will get notification first. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.